Your daily bus and MRT rides might seem like small expenses or a lot according to some people. But if you are commuting every day, those fares may add up over time. That's why in this video, I'll walk you through the 6 best credit cards for SimplyGo so that you can just tap and ride while getting some value back. So let's not waste any time and let's start with the first card, the DBS U card. With its insane 18% cashback or 10 miles per dollar, the DBS U card is hands down the best card to use for SimplyGo. But of course, there's a catch. There's always a catch. To unlock those crazy high rewards, you will need to spend at least $800 a month and make transactions across 4 different U merchants. Thankfully, SimplyGo itself already counts as one of them. Now, for some people, meeting the $800 requirement across 4 different merchants might feel a little tricky, especially if you don't usually shop at those places. But there are easy workarounds. 1. You can buy vouchers at Cold Storage or Giant to help reach the minimum spend. This is despite them mentioning that vouchers are excluded from earning rewards. 2. You can also buy 5-cent plastic bags at Giant and Cold Storage to easily take off the 2 merchant categories. And here's a pro tip. Remember to add your DBS U card into Haymax because they are running their SG60 campaign right now, which gives you up to an extra 6 miles per dollar on SimplyGo rides just by referring your friends. So you are basically earning rewards on top of rewards. And last but not least, don't forget to link your U card to the U app. If it is your first time, you will even score a 2000 U points bonus when you enter my referral code. So there's more free rewards before you even start committing. Quick pause. If you're looking for the best brokers to kickstart your investing journey, check out Interactive Brokers. You will enjoy one of the lowest fees in the industry at just 35 cents per trade on the US stock market. It also offers Ireland domicile ETFs, perfect for saving on dividend withholding taxes. Plus, it also comes with free company research tools, so you can make smarter investing decisions. Feel free to use my Interactive Brokers link to open an account and start investing today. Alright, let's get back to the video. Next up, we have the Maybank Family and Friends card. This is another card which gives a rather generous 8% cashback on SimplyGo rides when you meet the $800 minimum spend every month. Unlike the DBS U card, where the merchants are fixed, here you get to choose 5 out of the 10 categories to earn the 8% rate. Transport is one of them, and the rest include popular options like dining, groceries, shopping, and more. The flexibility makes it easy to align the card with your own spending habits. The limitation, however, is that the cashback is capped at $25 per category each month. That means once you spend more than $312.50 in any single category, you have maxed out your rebates in that category, and anything beyond that only earns the base 0.3% cashback. The other downside is that since this is a MasterCard, you won't be able to add it to Haymax, which only supports Visa card linking. So unlike the DBS U card, there's no extra stacking opportunity for more miles or rebates on SimplyGo. Still, if you are looking for a card that delivers straightforward and reliable cashback, not just on transport, but across multiple everyday categories, the Maybank Family and Friends card is a very practical pick. Moving on, the third card on this list is the UOB One card. You will get 8.33% cashback when you spend at least $600 or $1,000 per month, or 10% cashback if you spend at least $2,000 per month. But here's the catch. You will need to do this for 3 consecutive months in a quarter to qualify. The great thing about this card is that on top of the base 3.33% cashback, you can also earn an additional 5% or 6.67% cashback at selected merchants like Grab, McDonald's, Shopee, and yes, SimplyGo. That is what makes this card so appealing for everyday spending. Plus, it is also one of the rare cards that lets you earn cashback on your Singapore Power utilities bill, which most other cards would exclude. And because this is a Visa card, you can also add it to Haymax to stack bonus miles on top of your cashback. So there's a nice advantage over cards like the Maybank Family and Friends, which are limited by being MasterCards. The downside, however, is that this card can be extremely unforgiving. If you miss the minimum spend in even one of the 3 months, you either drop to the next lower tier or miss out on the upsized cashback entirely. It is very much an all or nothing card, which can be stressful, especially if your spending isn't consistent. In short, the UOB One card works best for people who spend consistently every month and wants both cashback and the flexibility to stack with Haymax. But if your spending fluctuates quite a bit, it can be a difficult card to use. Next up, we have the UOB Preferred Platinum Visa card, or PPV for short. For years, this has been a go-to card for miles chasers since it offers a solid 4 miles per dollar on mobile contactless transactions and selected online spend. But after the most recent change, the card has become both better and worse at the same time. On the positive side, SimplyGo now counts towards earning 4 miles per dollar, which is great news for commuters. So as long as you tap in with your mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, your bus and MRT rides will help you rack up miles quickly. The catch though is that UOB has split the money cap into two subcategories, $600 for mobile contactless and $600 for online spend. That means that even though you can still earn 4 miles per dollar on up to $1,200 per month in total, you can't just dump it into one single category anymore. Once you go past $600 in either subcategory, the rest of your spend there only earns a rather C-based at 0.4 miles per dollar. On the bright side, since the PPV card is a Visa card, you can also add it to Amex and stack bonus miles on top. So while the split cap makes it more restrictive, at least there's still a way to squeeze out extra value. Next up, we have the UOB Ladies card. And yes, even though the name says ladies, men can get it too. This card gives a solid 4 miles per dollar earn rate, with a money cap of $1,000, but with a twist. You need to choose one bonus category where you will earn those miles. So if you want SimplyGo to count, you will have to select transport as your category. On top of that, the more money you park in the UOB Ladies savings account, the more miles you get to earn, up to 10 miles per dollar. While that sounds amazing, given that this account has a C below 0.05% interest, the sweet spot would be parking $10,000 in there, which would boost the earn rate to 6 miles per dollar. That said, the regular ladies card isn't always the best fit for SimplyGo. That's because unless you are also heavily spending on things like Grab rides or taxis, most people won't hit anywhere close to $1,000 a month on transport. In reality, you might get more value by choosing other categories like dining or fashion. So this is where the UOB Ladies Solitaire card comes in. Unlike the regular version, this card lets you pick two bonus categories instead of one. The cap here is $1,500 a month in total, but split into two categories of $750 each. For example, if you choose transport and dining, you earn 4 miles per dollar on up to $750 spent in transport and $750 spent in dining every month. That gives you more flexibility to spread out your rewards. Of course, the catch is the higher income requirement. While the regular ladies card needs just $30,000 annual income, the Solitaire card requires $120,000 a year. Last but not least, we have the Chocolate Visa card. On its own, it gives a flat 1 miles per dollar on all spending, including SimplyGo. That might not sound like much, but what makes this card interesting is its flexibility. Unlike most cards that exclude categories like insurance, education or government payments, the Chocolate card has almost no exclusions, so you get to earn on many of these hard to earn categories. The only real limit here is a 100 miles money cap on bill payments, but beyond that is wide open. You can also boost your earn rate by parking money into Chocolate Finance, which not only increases the miles you earn across all spend, but also gives you some return on your idle cash. But of course, just remember that it is not a bank lah, as you'll be parking your money into investment products. And here's the key point. To actually earn and convert those rewards into miles, you will need to pair the Chocolate card with Amex. Once linked, your everyday spend, including SimplyGo rides, will start earning miles. Anyway, that was the top 6 cards for SimplyGo rides. Hopefully you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every week.